Hi, everybody. Many times people bury their dreams or do not follow their dreams, saying that there are things which do not support them, and the two most important things which come in the way of their dreams is time and money. This has been one of the major causes of killing of beautiful dreams. So, what's the solution? What is the solution for it then? Whenever this situation has happened in the case of any of people who are my clients or my course participants, I've given them a very interesting tool which even you can use. The most important part of this tool is to be in the question, which means to ask the question and not to be in the answer, which means do not try to get answers but just ask the question to the universe and just let it be. And what is the question which you can ask? Well, the question is as simple as, if time and money weren't the issue, what would I choose? Everything boils down to your choice. And understand that most of the times, because you've buried your dreams, because you think you do not have the time and money for it, in that case, keep asking this question to the universe. Do not look for an answer, just ask the question. And then universe will open up to some kind of opportunity to you in the form of some support. For example, I had a client who is a full-time mom and she didn't have time to get back to work. And when she asked this question to the universe, she got support in the form of a family. So her parents decided to babysit her kids so that she could go back to work and get a very wonderful work-life balance. So when you ask this question, what will happen is the universe will offer you some kind of support in the form of people, your loved ones, maybe your parents, your husband, your wife, your kids, your siblings. Someone will support you in the form of giving their time or money. And bingo, that will really help you chase your dreams. But here's the catch. Do not say a no when someone offers you help. Be open to what I call as receiving from the universe, because these people are what the universe is sending you as a form of support. So do not say a no to them. Take all the support possible and go and chase your dreams. And remember to dream really big so that you can accomplish them. How does it get even better? This is Ashwini Chube, your wellness coach, spiritual teacher, motivational speaker, and transformational trainer. If you like this video, do subscribe to our channel, like the Facebook page, and for more, log on to our website www.unicorninsight.com. That's from me for now. Have a lovely day. Thank you.